Hello. Yeah, Mommy's on video, honey.
When am I going to have my screen time?
In a bit, okay. Okay, go sit on the couch.
O'clock.
Okay. Hey guys. Happy Monday. My little ones are home with me on Mondays, so I'm coming to you to show you my morning lemon tea recipe. You can hear my teapot going in the background. Hey Melissa. So thank you for joining us live. Hey Emily. Hey Michelle. For those that are catching the replay, just comment #replay, and that way you'll know that you've seen this video, and that way we'll know that you've seen it as well. Or you can leave a heart or whatever. Sometimes I forget which live videos I go back and watch the replay on, so that's a little tip for you guys. But I want to thank you for coming, but I also want to thank our promotions committee in doTERRA. So this is a group of doTERRA's top leaders. It's rare to see collaboration of this type in a company like the model that doTERRA has with direct marketing. So all of these leaders got together. They get together every month actually, and provide some great promotional materials for us to share with our groups. And they did a lot of the legwork on this Master Your Metabolism campaign that we're educating this week. So I just want to give a shout out to them and all of our leaders in the Northwoods Essentials group. Hey Susan, it's tea time. Yes, Melissa. So I'm excited to share with you this DIY today. I always like to add an educational component to it just to kind of maximize value for you guys. I like to give value where I can. So we're learning the importance of hydration today. Some of you are doing really awesome at this. Some could use work like me. I've really been honing in on this and practicing and just making sure I'm getting enough water every day. Oh, my tea is... My water's ready. So welcome to my kitchen. I haven't done a live for my kitchen in a while. Basically, our goal is always to educate and empower you, okay? You are the leader of your health management team, so you are in control of that, and I want to share with you some statistics. So on average, the adult human body is about 50 to 65% water, whereas an infant is more like 75 to 85%. So as we age, right, this decreases. A lot of us aren't like sick, we're actually just not getting enough water. Our body's many cries for water. There's actually a book you can go look on Amazon. That's what it's titled, Our Body's Many Cries for Water. So if you don't know where to start with health, start with getting enough clean, pure water, and that's what we're launching off this educational week for you guys. Okay, so water and oxygen are everything. Oh, and this was another interesting statistic, is that death starts in at about 40%. So when your water levels in your body get at like 40%, it's not really enough to sustain your living organism, your body. So pretty cool. Good to know. Okay, so I have my lemon. I have my mug. I also like to use a tea. So not only can you can totally make this with just lemon juice. I do that, but I also, just for added benefit of detoxing, I use a tea. And so this is the Tea of Republic, or Republic of Tea. This is the Get Clean can. So there's an AM tea, there's a mid-afternoon tea, and there's a PM tea, which is kind of sweeter after dinner tea. But the morning one helps flushes toxins. All of them are good for the liver and kidneys and all of your flushing organs. But I'll tell you why I do this in the morning. So lemon water is great for detoxing it, and it's good for supporting the liver. And in the evening, at night, your body's doing all its detoxing processes, and when you get up, you eliminate, right? You're kind of flushing out all of that work that was done in the night. You don't want to hang on to that in your body. So in the morning, you can kind of give that more of a support when you have a hot lemon water. So what I like to do is I add psyllium husk powder, and you can get this at your health food store. You can order it online. This is like pure fiber power. So when you add this into your lemon tea, not only are you getting the benefits of the lemon in your body, but you're getting the benefits of the fiber, and this is going to act like that scrubber brush in your intestines, just to kind of clear everything out. So we do this every morning. It's going to give you a lot of energy. So what I do is I just cut my lemon in half. I have to get my tool here. These are amazing if you don't have one, a lemon press, or you can use it for limes. I put mine in upside down because it gets more of the juice out. But then I just squirt that into my mug. And believe it or not, I do not put essential oils in my morning tea. And here's why. So when you heat oils, especially with boiling water, you're going to lose some of that efficacy and those health benefits. What kind of fiber? So it's psyllium husk powder, Susan. It would be the non-digestible fiber, so your body's going to expel it. Insoluble fiber, I think that's what they're called. So why I don't put essential oils in my tea is because I'm going to lose the health benefits from heating the oils. So I save my citrus oils for my water. I have this big 32-ounce thing of water, and I try to drink 3 or 4 of these a day. And so I just add 2 drops of citrus oil to this big 32-ounce baby, and I'm doing that 3 to 4 times a day. And I don't always add citrus oils to it. Sometimes there's enough residue left that I just fill it back up again. But I use my citrus oils in my water, not necessarily my tea. I'm not saying you can't. I would add a little bit of honey. Emily asked this question this morning, so if you want to add oils to your hot water, I would add a little bit of honey with your oils and maybe add it in after your tea's been steeped for a while. And that's just going to allow your oils to mix really well with your tea. So, and Melissa, I just covered that why I use lemon juice instead of lemon oil. Lemon oil is great to use in your regular water, but for the tea purposes, I'm not using the oil, just for my tea in the morning. And I don't know if you can see this, you guys, but there's like maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in there. And if you don't boil your water, you can use that. That's totally fine. I'm busy in the morning, and it's easier for me not to mess with the honey and the oils, so I just save it for my water. But anyway, you're going to then drop your tea bag into your mug. So here's my tea bag, and then I fill that with my water. So I'm actually going to drink this. And then I let that steep for, a couple minutes. And then I squeeze my tea bag and I take my tea bag out, and then I add my psyllium husk powder. So I do about 1/2 teaspoon. You don't need a lot. And you guys, this is going to turn gelatinous. It's kind of weird when you let it sit in your cup. I would advise when you add it into your mug that you keep stirring for a few minutes, and then you're going to let it sit and cool down a little bit. It's going to be hot, so you're not going to drink it quite yet, and you're going to have to stir it again when you want to go to drink it, because it's kind of like chia seeds, how they get that gelatinous, right? But if you let your tea sit, that's how it's going to get. If you keep stirring it before you drink it and mix it back up again, then it's totally fine. So this is just a powder. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, so I add that right into my tea. Hot. So we're gonna stir this up. And that is pretty much my lemon tea recipe. If you're not going in the morning, if you have a hard time going in the morning, after you do this, you will be going just fine. So this is what I do every morning. And for those of you that have a little bit of a sweet tooth like me, I like to put stevia in my tea. So yes, Emily says I always have hot lemon water and honey. It's my beverage in any restaurant. Yeah, so good. So you guys can look up the benefits of lemon juice, Terrazyme. Susan says, yes, Terrazyme's amazing. Take your Terrazyme throughout the day. But this is just going to jumpstart your liver and all of your flushing organs in the morning by having the lemon with also the fiber. Or if you choose, if you're eliminating just fine and you don't have an issue with that, I don't really, but if I'm detoxing, which I am right now, I do this every morning because I don't want those toxins circulating back in my bloodstream again. So I definitely do this while I'm on any sort of detox or cleanse. So, and I don't know, you probably can't see this. There we go. Fun stuff. Any questions, you guys? That is my morning detox tea. The powder, Emily, is called psyllium husk powder. So it's PSY. I always get that mixed up. PSYLLIUM. Psyllium husk powder. And if you can get organic, get organic. So that is my morning tea. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. And definitely do the giveaway today. So now that you've learned everything about hydration, we want to know, and you want to know, how much water should you be having during the day. Also take into account, exercise. You're going to want to drink extra water for that. And if you drink coffee or caffeine, that also is going to require some extra hydration for your body. So comment on the giveaway, because we're giving away a really cool cup that I actually have here. This is my favorite smoothie cup. So it's glass, and I have a gray one and a teal one, and this is silicone, and then you can put your smoothies and your oils in there, and if you get a stainless steel straw, you're all set. So I like having my smoothies in these cups. But anyway, that's the giveaway for today. So psyllium, Melissa says, psyllium powder, where do you get yours? Oh, so I got mine at Golden Harvest, which is a local health food store for anyone that's not local. And we have a little hand coming up here. My kids like to drink the tea too. So this is Eleanor. Say hello. Hi. Alrighty. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys. I'm really looking forward to this week and spending some time with you, going live, doing our fun DIYs. And I think Melissa is going to be on live tomorrow. So you guys make sure you catch her live. And have a good day. Bye-bye.